Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To restart your laptop in a regular way, you just have to open the Start menu, then go to Power Options and then select Restart and wait until your device is restarted. But if in case your device is frozen and you cannot do this in a regular way, we can force restart our laptop. And to do that, we're just going to have to press and hold the power button on the keyboard until the power indicator next to it goes off. And once it does, we can release the power button, then wait for about 5 seconds and press the power button once again, this time just for a moment. And then wait until the HP logo appears on your screen. After a moment, your device will boot back into system. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.